Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Today, you'll be learning the simple way on how to install plugins in WordPress. If you're a beginner, maybe you may have heard of plugins. Yes, plugins in WordPress are important. They are essential tools that can enhance your website's functionality and performance. So, in this short tutorial, I'll guide you through the two main methods that you can use in order to install a WordPress plugin. Let's go with method number 1, installing a plugin directly through your own WordPress dashboard. Open your WordPress dashboard. From your main menu, navigate to the Plugin section. Then, click on Add New Plugin. Here, you can browse plugins. You can go to Featured, Popular, and Recommended plugins. But if you want to search for a specific plugin, you can use the search box at the top right and type the name of the plugin you want to install. Make sure to only install plugins from trusted sources to keep your website secure. You can also click the More Details link to read the detailed description of what the plugin does, its key features, how it can benefit your website, and you can see user ratings and read reviews to understand other users' experiences with the plugin. Now, to install the plugin, simply click on the Install Now button, then Activate. If you want to see the lists of all the plugins you've installed, go to the Installed Plugin section. Remember, don't install too many plugins because they can slow down your website. Let's go to method number 2, installing a WordPress plugin from a zip file. Now, if you're already downloading a plugin from the WordPress.org repository, it'll usually come in the form of a zip file. To install this plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. Under the Plugin section, go to Add New Plugin. Then, at the top of the page, click on the Upload Plugin button. As you can see here, if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So, choose your file you've downloaded, and then click Install Now. You can always go to Installed Plugins under the Plugins menu to view all of your site's available plugins and activate or deactivate them as needed. Make sure to always update your plugins to the latest version, keeping up your website security and performance. That's it. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress Masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.